I just copied text from an image with a single click. It's super easy, and I can't wait to show you how. Hello and welcome to How to Easy Quick. In today's tutorial, I'll show you how to copy text from any image. Whether it's a simple line or complex text, this method will make your life so much easier. To do that, first open Google Chrome and search for an image that contains text. For this example, I'll pick a random image from the results. Here I choose this image. You can either copy the text directly from the image, or save the image first and then extract the text later. Now, to copy the text from the image, press the Windows, Shift, and T keys on your keyboard. This will let you select the text area in the image. Just drag your cursor over the text you want to copy. You can see me doing that, right? Next, let's check if it worked. Open a Word document and press Ctrl+V to paste the copied text. Look, the text is here. Isn't that amazing? But if those keys didn't work for you, don't worry. Here's how to fix that. First, open your Microsoft Store and then type Microsoft PowerToys in the search bar and hit Enter. From the results appeared on the screen, click here on the Microsoft PowerToys app and install it on your device. Once it's installed, a window will pop up with various options. Scroll down to find and enable the text extractor. If the window doesn't pop up, you search for Microsoft PowerToys on your device and click to open it. Now, go back to your image and press Windows, Shift, and T again. You should now be able to copy text from the image effortlessly. Congratulations, your life is now much easier. I hope you found this method helpful. If you did, please subscribe to my channel and hit the bell icon for more tips. See you in the next tutorial.